In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure field configurations in Jira, a key feature that allows you to customize fields for different types of tasks in your projects. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can adapt Jira to better match your team's workflow. Firstly, let's start at the beginning. Head over to your web browser and navigate to the Atlassian website. This is the hub for various tools like Jira, created to streamline collaboration within software, IT, and business teams. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials to gain access to your Jira account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on your Jira homepage. You can easily navigate through various features and projects from here. Look towards your project list and select the specific project you want to configure. Clicking on the project name will take you to the project's main dashboard. Inside the chosen project, your next step is to locate and click on the three-dot icon. This icon acts as a menu button housing additional options relating to your project management tools. Clicking on it opens up a more detailed menu. From this menu, you will choose the Project Settings option. It's essential to be familiar with these settings as they give you control over how your project behaves within Jira. After you've entered the project settings, you'll see a variety of options to configure different aspects of your project. For this task, we are specifically interested in field configurations, so go ahead and click on Fields. This section manages the different fields associated with tasks in your project. By customizing these, you can ensure that only relevant information is displayed, making your task management much more efficient. Field configurations are powerful as they manage which fields are presented to your team members and set defaults for field values, among other features. Tailoring these means that you can adapt Jira to better fit your project needs, whether it's by hiding unnecessary fields or arranging fields in an order that matches your workflow best. To ensure you've understood each step and successfully implemented changes, double-check your configurations and navigate back to your project to confirm that the fields are displaying as expected. Congratulations! You've now learned how to configure field configurations in Jira. Customizing these fields allows your team to focus on what matters most without being overwhelmed by irrelevant options, ultimately enhancing productivity. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check out other tutorials for more tips on managing your Jira projects effectively.